Hello fellow YouTubers, my name is Robyn. I have a totally cool video that I hope you love, or intrigued, whatever you want to call it. I like to show you this barefoot treatment that I use on my feet. And I enjoy this stuff, and I used it quite a bit. It helps your calluses from rough to very soft, and it works really well. And I would use this before I go to bed, and I love this stuff a lot. It's really gentle on your feet, and it is keeping your feet nice and soft and smooth and beautiful. And if you want to know where I got it from, I got it from Walmart, and I recommend this stuff, and you can find it there at Walmart or other places. You could find it, and there's guaranteed that you may love it or not. Just try it out and see if you like it. And this stuff is really good, and I recommend picking up some of this. And if you want any more videos about skincare, type that in my down bar. And if you have any video ideas, put that in my down bar. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. And I will see you in my next video. And I'll catch you ladies, catch you divas in my next video. Thank you so much. Bye.